In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps of removing and replacing your filters so your spa can stay clean and efficient. First, make sure to turn off the breaker to your hot tub for safety purposes. Gently lift off the filter cover and set it aside. Next, unscrew both filters by turning them counterclockwise. Carefully remove the filters from the housing. Now, take one of the new filters and place it underwater. Gently shake it to release any trapped air bubbles. This ensures the filter functions properly once installed. Gently screw the new filter clockwise into place. Be sure not to over-tighten to avoid damage. Just a snug fit will do to ensure they're secure. Repeat this process with the second filter. Once the new filters are in, replace the filter cover. Align the clips properly, then push down firmly to lock the cover into place. And that's it. Your Jacuzzi 300 series hot tub filters are now replaced and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy maintenance tips from The Great Escape.